Are you ready to explore the ethical implications of artificial intelligence? Join us as we dive deep into the discussion around responsible development of this life-changing technology. Many of us agree that technology has become an integral part of our everyday lives, but have you ever stopped to think about the ethical implications of these technologies like artificial intelligence? Elon Musk has recently warned us of the potential risk posed by AI and the need for responsible development of this life-changing technology. In this video, we'll be diving deeper into the discussion around AI's ethical implications, the need for businesses and governments to invest responsibly in public engagement to foster an open dialogue around responsible development. Get your thinking cap on as we explore the implications of AI together. Subscribe to Oracle AI and stay tuned to learn more about the ethical implications of AI and how we can ensure responsible development. Together, let's create a better future for us all. Ultimately, Elon Musk's perspective on AI is shaped by his professional and personal experience as well as the need for responsible development of this technology. Despite his worries about the potential risk posed to humanity from AI becoming uncontrollable or surpassing human intelligence, he has taken an active role in helping ensure the safety through investments with Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. As we move further into a future where advanced forms of artificial intelligence are used in everyday life, it raises the question, are we ready to regulate these technologies effectively enough so that they can be beneficial instead of detrimental? Elon Musk has recently warned us that artificial intelligence could be a major risk to human civilization. He believes that AI could have unpredictable results that may not be beneficial to us. Scientists have been working hard to create regulations to make sure AI is used safely, but there are still a lot of unknowns about what could happen if it's not used with caution. This raises the question, as we continue to develop AI, what moral boundaries do we need to set up to protect ourselves from any unexpected consequences? As artificial intelligence becomes more and more a part of our daily lives, it's important to think about the potential implications and effects it could have on society. With advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision becoming more common, we need to ask ourselves what measures can be taken to make sure this technology is developed responsibly, so it doesn't become a threat or lead to unfair decisions based on bias or other factors. As we move closer to an AI-driven future, how do we make sure these changes are good for everyone in the world rather than bad? Could AI-driven systems be regulated without bias? This question brings up a lot of important issues around the ethical development of AI. What measures can we take to ensure that the ethical AI development so it doesn't lead to unfair decisions or become a threat? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Deep learning is a form of AI technology that has grown rapidly in recent years. It helps machines make decisions and recognize patterns, allowing them to do things we once thought impossible for computers. With deep learning, we're closer than ever to creating AI technology that learns and improves over time. But like any powerful tool, ethical considerations must be taken into account when developing deep learning models and algorithms. Mistakes could have serious consequences on society if they're not checked or regulated. So the question is, how do governments make sure there's enough oversight while still giving this new field of AI the space it needs to explore? It's clear that deep learning is playing a major role in the development of AI and how society interacts with it. By helping us make better decisions and process things more efficiently, we're starting to see real-world applications in many industries, from self-driving cars on the roads today to medical diagnoses enabled by computer vision systems that can predict disease outcomes based on past data. Although there may be some regulatory issues with this technology, the potential for new business opportunities that could revolutionize the global economy is huge. The challenge then becomes how to use this power responsibly and in line with ethical standards. How can businesses make sure that AI initiatives are not only profitable but also ethical? It's a tough question as ethics can be very subjective when it comes to global affairs. As businesses continue to explore the potential of AI technology, it's important to remember to think about ethical considerations. Bad actors can use this powerful tool for bad things if it's not regulated correctly. Elon Musk has warned us about the risk of autonomous AI systems and how humans may not be able to control them if they become smarter than us. This shows how important it is to be responsible when using new technologies like deep learning or machine learning algorithms. We need to think about more than just making money, but also think about how it could affect people and data privacy law. How can businesses make sure they're following the rules while still taking advantage of what AI offers? What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. As AI technology continues to develop, it has a major impact on labor. Automated solutions do tasks a lot faster than humans, raising questions about how jobs could become obsolete due to automation, and how industries should transition into using more machine-based operations instead of human labor. It's not just blue-collar roles that are at risk, even highly educated professionals like lawyers or mathematicians could find their positions redundant if algorithms come up with better conclusions faster than any person. We need to consider the ethical responsibility businesses have when deciding whether or not certain professions should be replaced. Should governments create guidelines for transitioning to job markets that use AI technology so that working people don't feel left behind? Could we have systems in place to provide alternate employment opportunities or career transition programs for those who lose their jobs due to automation? As AI-fueled technologies become more widespread, it's important to consider the ethical implications. Automation and AI can bring many benefits like increased productivity and new job opportunities, but they also bring potential pitfalls, like displacing workers whose labor is replaced or automated. Businesses and governments have a responsibility to ensure fair treatment of employees when transitioning into roles brought on by AI technology. One way communities can get involved in public discussions about these topics is through education initiatives like hackathons at local universities. Professionals from different backgrounds can come together to work towards better solutions and responsible use cases for AI projects in various industries. Community centers can also provide educational seminars run by industry experts who are knowledgeable about the challenges posed by AI development, like algorithmic biases, sensitive measures related to human rights, and privacy law. By providing direct access to experienced specialists in relevant fields, trust and faith may be restored in the AI industry. Efforts like these would make it easier for the public to gain insight on the subject matter. Additionally, departments and organizations formal debates between citizens and technical elites to dive deeper into the issue that reshape how technological progress affects society on a large scale. How can policymakers strike a balance between offering newcomers an opportunity to express themselves, while still making sure they abide by privacy and information regardless? It's important to consider the public when discussing and developing AI technology, as it could have a huge impact on our lives and in the future. Public engagement helps foster an open dialogue about what is acceptable for ethical development of these technologies, allowing society to come up with standards that align not only with technological innovation but also with social purposes. Moreover, initiatives give community workshops or educational programs great ways to give people more insight into how AI works, so they can understand its implications better. But to get matters of the public involved, we need to make sure everyone has access to this information, especially those who may be excluded due to impaired mobility or digital literacy issues, and reach out regularly instead of just when there's a peak of interest in new tech trends like blockchain or self-driving cars. So how do we make sure that all voices are heard when participating in discussions about ethical developments surrounding artificial intelligence? Elon Musk has expressed concerns about potential risks posed to humanity from artificial intelligence or AI becoming uncontrollable and surpassing human intelligence. Despite this, he has taken an active role in ensuring its safety through investments with Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, and is advocating for responsible development of AI technology. Scientists have been working hard to create regulations in order to ensure that AI is used safely, but there are still a lot of unknowns. This raises a very important question. As we continue to develop AI, what moral boundaries do we need to set to protect ourselves from any unexpected consequences? Deep learning is a form of AI technology that has grown rapidly in recent years, and businesses are exploring the potential of AI technology. But with this power comes the need to consider ethical considerations, as mistakes can have very serious consequences on society if they're not checked and if they're not regulated. To ensure that all voices are heard when participating in discussions around ethical development related to artificial intelligence and AI, we need to make sure that everyone has access to all of the information, and we need to reach out regularly. The next video will explore the dangers posed by the new chatbot ChatGPT, a deep learning AI capable of understanding human language and responding in kind using natural language processing. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT poses a risk to human safety and privacy if we don't properly monitor it. Do you want to know about these potential risks that are posed by ChatGPT, and more importantly, how to protect yourself? Make sure that you watch our next video to find out, and take action in order to ensure your safety and privacy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Take care.